This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Nothing Phone 2 is updated because NFC behavior can change with patches. Once done, open Settings, go to Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences, and enable NFC. This lets the radio scan passively and actively. Make sure you know where the NFC antenna sits, centered on the back, so you can tap correctly. Also enable Android Beam alternatives or tap-to-pay settings if you plan to transfer data or use payments. Once NFC is enabled, set your default payment app in Wallet or Google settings so taps route correctly. For file transfers, use Nearby Share or the Phone's Share menu, then bring devices back-to-back to prompt the NFC handshake. This negotiates Bluetooth/Wi-Fi direct for the actual transfer. Make sure cases aren't blocking the antenna. Thin silicone is fine, but metal or magnet closures can prevent detection. If pairing fails, try re-enabling NFC and retrying the tap to reinitiate the handshake. You finish by verifying the transaction or file transfer completed and checking app confirmations. If it didn't, re-attempt with the phones aligned over the antenna. If problems persist, reboot the phone, toggle NFC off and on, and remove the case to eliminate interference. Also make sure the receiving terminal or card is NFC compatible and that your phone is unlocked for secure payments. Lock state can block tap functions. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.